Did you know that 83% of AI chipsets function with the Internet of Things? Merrill Lynch of the Bank of America predicted that IoT and the AI market would surge to $153 billion annually. Here is how the world would be positively affected when the Internet of Things meets AI. The proactive intervention of combining AI and IoT leads to many benefits for businesses, homes, and the world. We will share 4 of the most popular benefits of combining the two disruptive technologies. Number 4. Operational efficiency. Streaming data from working machines or machine learning, an army of IoT and AI, can enhance efficiency at the workplace. They can determine what parts of the work culture are redundant and time-consuming. A company's channels could be streamlined for proper working parameters, from internal communication to logistics. This way, employees have enough time to add value, and the business responds to clients promptly. It also helps with schedules and machine activity analysis. When the operations schedule is spot on, one does not struggle with unscheduled downtime. Some companies have reduced their maintenance planning and cost budgets since they started using AI-powered IoT, and we will share the details on those shortly. Number 3. Risk management. When paired, AI and IoT can automate all risks in the business and provide immediate responses. This cushions the business against financial loss, cyber threats, and staff safety. For instance, Fujitsu uses data from employee wearables to ensure worker safety and health data while on the job. When addressed with IoT concepts, these risks enhance better work ethic and customer satisfaction. Number 2. Better products and services. In fact, many inventors will develop groundbreaking products with the AI-enabled IoT once enough data has been gathered around it. Companies like Ericsson and Amazon have provided their customers with better services with Ericsson Accelerator and AWS IoT. To illustrate, Rolls-Royce deployed 5,000 trackers powered by AI and IoT in 2019, and now their engines are delivering better insight into engine performance. Customers can now predict engine faults ahead of time and schedule maintenance due to the proper data collection. Paul Stein, Rolls-Royce CTO, says that now customers want remote engine repairs, and the company is working on that. So they are back to the Internet of Things tutorial to fulfill this desire. For better products and services, we can talk about the thermostat solutions. Now, smartphone integration of AI-powered IoT helps people manage the temperatures everywhere they go. They can also let the devices predict their preferred temperature due to their past choices. We will present more on this to you when we discuss examples of industries benefiting from IoT and AI applications. Number 1. Unscheduled downtime. Some industries do not handle a breakdown well. An oil and gas company could lose billions in a single unscheduled downtime. However, this could be avoided with the correct data to predict equipment failure and maintenance date. According to their website, Deloitte invests up to 50% less in maintenance planning and 10% less in maintenance costs. They also boast of a 20% improvement in machine uptime. This is due to their work with AI and IoT. Your business could also benefit from the goodness of AI-enabled IoT. AI and IoT applications combine to enhance business models and proper customer experiences. We will share 4 examples of industries that incorporate these technologies with you. Before we get into it, remember to subscribe to our channel for more. Number 4. Robots. Robots are using sensors to enhance their efficiency. Manufacturing like automotive and robotics companies embrace the concept of new technology. Therefore, deep learning, AI, face recognition, and reinforcement learning are all incorporated into these robots. For emphasis, these robots interpret data quicker and make sound decisions, which are safe for their environment. Elon Musk, who has doubts about AI and believes in a safer environment, has said that his company, Tesla's nascent robot plans, have the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. He added that Optimus, the robot in question, would be the most important thing Tesla has worked on this year. Once Musk has called it important, we have to look at it carefully. Number 3. Self-driving. Speaking of Tesla, their autonomous self-driving cars use AI and IoT to understand the environment. For example, the vehicle can predict pedestrian behavior and pick up data to improve its efficiency over time. Thus, the climate and road conditions become a part of the psyche of the vehicle, Tesla plans to use AI to communicate with the car software. Currently, the cars are connected to Tesla's energy smart home solutions, including the future HVAC and the present renewable energy options. Eventually, the vehicles get smarter after each trip. Number 2. Retail. Amazon is already leading in IoT and AI technologies. The combined efforts are simply a plus. They are not the most valuable company for nothing. The company tests out all new technologies and sticks with whichever ones help them grow. The predictions of this combination have helped with staffing levels and customer behavior while shopping online and in the stores. The cameras and sensors make the cashiers more productive and satisfy the customers more. Did you ever go to an Amazon store feeling terrible, and then the cashiers were friendlier than usual and made you feel better? What was that like? Please share with us in the comments. Number 1. Thermostat. Once the thermostat picks up your preferences, it can work remotely to your comfort. You can move from room to room and the thermostat controls itself to your senses. The smartphone-enabled AI-powered IoT also predicts maintenance and faults as they come. It can also be connected to other smart devices like smart bulbs, ACs, and display devices. Who knows? The future of the Internet of Things could be the kitchen. Oh snap! The kitchen equipment works with the connected smart plugs. Indeed, we are in the future. Now, Top 7 Incredible Computer Vision Projects 2022 is next on our channel, and our IoT gathered that you would enjoy it. So watch it now.